Come, let's make some palm nut soup with some rice balls. Delicious. I am toasting up my spices a little bit to bring out the flavor. I have fennel, grains of Selim, cloves, roasted some tomatoes, onions, peppers, and garlic. I'm gonna blend it up and add it to my soup. Steaming my lamb a little bit with some onions and salt. I am dissolving the palm nut cream to strain it and get all the bits out before adding it to my soup. The palm nut tree is fascinating. The fruit is used to make soup, as you can see, and inside of it is the kernel that you use for palm kernel oil, and then you dry out the chaff and use that to light fire, and then the branches you can braid them up and use them as a fan or as a broom. So many uses for that tree. I am straining it to get out all the bits before adding it to the soup. And this is Aidan fruit or Prekese, toasted, and some mushrooms. Prekese is very flavorful in cooking. It's also medicinal. And here I'm adding in my blended tomatoes and onions and other spices, ginger, garlic. The soup is looking good. Once the soup is almost ready, the palm nut oil will settle at the top, and you can scoop out some of that oil and use it for another dish. Yep, that's that endless tree right there. All right, time to serve it over rice balls. And it's time to eat. Until next time, bon appetit!